Hi guys, this is my slime. I made this today. This is a slime too. I made six slime. This one, the red one, and orange one, and the green one. See? See? I made sorry about that. But this is a snowflake. I just made it now, and it's already made. You see? Hope you guys like this video. Comment and subscribe in my video, and share and give thumbs up. And just showing you, this is the slime in the cup. I just made it, but like I'm gonna put it inside the plate. That's gonna be sitting there. Beautiful. I used it markers, paint, things how to know. I used this markers. Yeah, I got a purple one, but I gotta find another lid to put that. Probably in the bag or something like that, because I'm running out. See? It will just pop out like that, and I'll show you. See? Hope you guys get a thumbs up in this video, because I'm making this video for people out there doing slime videos. If you're watching this, the blue one is very hard. I just made this like 2 weeks ago. All this, even these four, I made this 4 weeks ago. And this one, I made later, like around later. See? And it comes out like a little thing. See? Slime videos. This is for the people doing slime videos, if you're watching this, because I want you guys to comment in the below and let me know if I did a good job. And this I just made right now, and when you take it out, like, you hear this when you put it on the thing and you pick it up. I just made this, like, no joke. Today, I made it. I call this snowflake because I add a lot of glue because of this thing, the little thing inside. I just made white slime with when you squeeze it, it makes a funny noise. Hope you liked my video. Subscribe my video, share and comment, and let me know what you want to say about my video. I will post more videos about it, how to make. I will make anything like colors, more slime. Let me know in the comment in the below. I'm actually gonna not put too much glitter of these glitter and put it right on there. And add a little blue in there. No, add you can put this in here, like a small little in there, like a little green, a little. If I want to change my slime colors, I'll do it. Just put a little colors in there. I'm going to put little blue in there. Because I want my slime to be like all colors, you know. I'm not going to take too much. So I hope you like my video, you know. This is a good one. Like a little piece for your slime. I want to make this perfect slime. Because I know you guys going to say mean things in my comment. Like, come on, guys. Like, you know, I'm making a video for you guys to see. So, bye. Hey guys, I'm back. This is number 2 video. I add these two, you know, the colors in it, and you're gonna see it. The colors in there. I already mixed it all together. You see the colors? It's already mixed. But I call this not rainbow. Ooh, sorry about that. My phone is just holding something. Oh my God. Hold on, guys. Yeah, it's already in my hand. It's already mixed in the colors. Like, you could see it around. Look, colors in there. Yeah, hope you liked my video. And subscribe. And there we go. Bye.